Yeah. Balik tayo sa art. Tagal ko na sinetap to, kaya lang naging busy talaga. Naging busy about real estate, about condominiums and rides, no? So hindi na asikaso, ngayon ko lang nabalikan. Of course, busy rin kami sa marketplace, no? Kabibenta ng kung ano-ano. So ang title nitong art na to is Your Person is Your Mind. Napaka-special na meaning nitong your person is your mind, no? Sometimes yung society sasabihin sa'yo kung ano at kung anong kaya mong gawin at hindi mo kayang gawin. Ang society magsasabi, no? You're too smart, you're too dumb, you're too thin, you're too fat, you're too old, you're too young, no? Kung ano-ano, you're too white, you're too black. Society ang nagdidikta ng kung ano-anong dapat at hindi mo dapat gawin, no? It's too hot, it's too cold, it's too deep, it's too shallow, it's too high, no? It's too fast, too slow. Sila nagdidikta. Bakit? So I want you to break free and don't be a prison of your own mind. Kaya ang tawag dito, your prison is your mind. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang nagsiset ng kulungan sa utak mo. Kaya hindi ka makakilos. Kasi sabi ng internet, di mo kaya. Sabi ng doktor sa internet, hindi mo dapat gawin. Yung doktor sa internet, yung mga vlogger, nagsasuggest pa ng dapat mong kainin, hindi kainin, dapat mong gawin, hindi dapat gawin. Sila pa ang nagsasabi na ikaw naman naniniwala ka. Don't be a prison of your mind. Yan yung sinasabi nitong art nito. Let's start.
Nangasim na ako.